Here's how to plot a straight line with only the equation. So all linear or straight line equations are written in the form y equals mx plus c. M stands for the gradient. It can also indicate the direction of the line because a negative line is going to be the other way. Now c represents the y-intercept, so that's the point at which the graph crosses the y-axis. So let's take an example. Let's say we have the equation y equals 2x plus 1. Now what we're actually going to look at first is the c element, which is 1 in this case. Now that means that the graph crosses the y-axis at 1. Therefore, the first point on our line is going to be 1 on the y-axis. So I'm going to put a point just here. The gradient on this line is 2. So what that means in terms of plotting it is that every time you go across 1 on the x-axis, the gradient tells us how far we then go up on the y-axis to meet our line again. So in this case, the gradient being 2, I'm going to go across 1 on my x-axis and I plot 2 on my y-axis. And this is the point at which my next point for my line is going to sit. So what I would then do is I'd grab a ruler and I'd draw a straight line between the 2 points so that they meet. But what I also need to do is make sure I extend my line beyond the 2 points so that it goes off onto the full graph that you have on your paper. And there you have it.